how to make $995 in a day. All right, this message is for entrepreneurs, handyman entrepreneurs, and wannabe handyman entrepreneurs. This the part where I be totally honest. You see, I'm like laying down because I just woke up. Because I meant to shoot this video yesterday, but I was so exhausted after I worked yesterday. For myself, keyword for myself, just for people that want to work for themselves, what to expect. Like the good, the bad, the ugly. That's what my channel is really about. I just want to be honest with you. So, like, when I originally started this like handyman hustle movement, showing you how to do it, I wanted to be like, this is what you can do part time. This is what I did last year full time, and I made like between $54,000 last year. And I I wanted to do it different this year and make the same kind of money but part time. And I know it's possible. The only thing is, it's like, it's what do you want to do? Like, do you really want to say, boom, I'm just gonna work 4 to 5 hours a day and do that, or do I want to go hard and work it as a full time job? Because it can go either way. You can get the money either way. Once things get set in place, you can go either way. The thing is, once you get good at doing this, you're gonna be in such high demand. I'm in such high demand that it's hard to keep up. It's literally hard to keep up with all the demand of people trying to get at me and pay me to help them out around the house. Now, it's two issues with this. I wanted to do mainly part time, but I like helping people. Now, I like helping people on your end, which is helping them get they hustle up to where they can create a lifestyle that they desire, whether it's money or time freedom, which is so undervalued. The time freedom is crazy. Like, I wouldn't want to do this because I like helping people fix on their houses and just helping people in general. But fix on their houses, so I'm gonna stick to the subject. I like fixing people's stuff and take care of older people. So it would do something to me, take something from me not to be able to do it, especially when I got the skills to do it. Self-taught skills, mind you. Um, but but it's taken away from me helping you. All I'm giving you is these videos, uh, motivation, inspiration, hopefully. And I got this course about to drop, and that's what's like is I'm finding like a conflict with. I set it aside. I had planned this year a little different to where I would take my AM time to put a course together to help you. Um, and it's like little things that have to go on the back end to get that done. Now, the handyman hustler's guide, I finished. It's completed. But giving it to you on the back end is like the techno stuff I haven't learned how to do, like how to shoot you the download. I actually wanted to make something to where you could physically order it and have it sent to your house. But I've been so busy and things have picked up so much that I haven't had the time lately within the last 2 weeks to fulfill that. So that's my dilemma. It's like I've been planning to get up earlier, and I have, and then all of a sudden within the last 2 weeks, just boom, things just start picking up. Clients, like I'm starting to see close to $1,000 days. Like yesterday, let me go ahead and break down yesterday. I was $5 short of $1,000 day, but guess what? I had to plan that day to wake up. I still woke up and at around this time 7. I usually get up at 7 o'clock a.m. and then I worked out, and then by 9:30 I was out the door. Um, and I had two clients. Um, I was doing some yard work, and that's what I go over in my Handyman Hustle Guide course: how to pick and how to do jobs. And I explain very heavily in the course why I don't like doing grass. It just don't pay as good as the jobs that in the I don't even like saying jobs, but the projects that just projects that pay better for the same amount of time. So why focus on grass? It's my whole spiel on that. Unless you just love cutting grass and don't mind making less money, we I guess do grass. It's people that I've met and ran into that have that mindset. I'm not one of them, and I got the best grass equipment in the world with no gas. I got a zero turn. You might have seen me on it if you watch a couple of these videos. But just so I don't ramble too much, let's stick to the script. I just want to just say that I was so exhausted last night that I didn't get to shoot this video, and I'm like waking up first thing just so I could tell you like how to make $1,000 in a day off of two clients. Pretty much yard work. You gotta have the right tools. I go over like stuff in my mentorship program on what tools to have, what equipment that you need, the mindset that you need to get it, the marketing, and it's not even as hard as you think to get it. It's more than I can put in the 10 minute. I don't know how long. Yeah, we 7 minutes in, almost 8. It's more than I could put in these little short videos. Uh, the accountability, the motivation to get it like inside the group. I got a Handyman Hustle group, so it's like just tap into my mentorship program. I DM me if you want in, cause I'll give you access to me. Hey, like, what should I do? I'm stuck. I'll be like, bruh, just do this. Anyway, how to have $1,000 a day. I did two clients, yard work. The tools I use, I don't have time to share with you because I'm almost out of time. Clients was happy. One paid me $350. The other one paid me $645. And I got an extra 45. I can show you how to do that. I told her 600. It took me 12 hours. I worked it from 9:30 to 9:30, and that's my point. I was exhausted. That's the ugly part. But the beautiful part is I could have stopped at any time. I just like to knock it out and get it over with and not have to go back, because that actually adds more time to your to your hustle. It takes away, but it ended up being like 70 something dollars an hour total, um, when you break it down. And I did have help at the end. On the last project, I had help, and it still took me that long. So just give you tips and tricks. Holler at me if you want mentorship. DM me. I'm on Facebook, here, and YouTube. Hit me up. I'm running out of time, but yeah, $1,000 days is possible for you. Just got to do it. As always, stay focused. Learn something all the time. Take action. Handyman Hustle Guide coming soon. Ashe. Yeah.